Hello, today I will tell you how to install Bandicam. Before downloading the file, you need to turn off the antivirus. This needs to be done because the program is written in Python. Step 1. First we need to click on the link under the video and download the file. Step 2. Next we need to unpack the file and enter the password for the archive. This password is also found below the video in the description. Step 3. Next we simply install a program on the desktop and run it. While I am installing the program, you can like and subscribe to the channel. That's it for me. Thanks for watching. All bye.